Welcome to the Seamless Bond Method mini tutorial. One Seamless Bond Method client can make you an extra $2,000. What will you do with an extra $2,000 that you make in just 5 hours? Let's get started. I always start each section on an angle. I find that when you part straight across, it doesn't give the coverage my clients are looking for. So, I'm starting by picking up a section of hair, and I'll be installing a K-tip that is density matched to the section that I picked up. And I'm sure you'll ask, how do I know how much hair to pick up? It needs to be enough to support the weight of the extension, period. Every single section must be density matched. The bond is placed below the scalp parting, never directly at the scalp. That will cause breakage, and we don't want that. The point of the Seamless Bond method is to grow hair. Again, we are parting on an angle, never straight across. And as you can see, I'm checking to see the density of the section that I picked up so I can match it to the density of the extension. If you do the same thing throughout the entire install, your install will last your clients up to 6 months. The Seamless Bond method is a technique I created so stylists can give their clients flawless installs without damaging their hair. I want to thank you for watching, and if you want to see this install from beginning to end, take the masterclass today.